Welcome to the pinnacle of horology. Within these walls, raw elements are transformed into instruments of absolute precision.
Unlike most, we begin at the atomic level. In our private foundry, pure 24-karat gold is alloyed with 1000 degrees Celsius. The alloy fuses. This creates the unique luster and durability of our signature gold variations. With casting, the molten liquid is transformed into solid bars. Rapid cooling locks in the metal's structure for maximum hardness. Compress the gold, eliminating microscopic air bubbles and aligning the grain for a perfect, flawless polish later. Strips are fed into the press. With tons of pressure, the raw form of the oyster case is stamped from the solid metal. Action point is machined with absolute geometric consistency, ensuring the bracelet will integrate seamlessly with the case.
Controlled milling machines shape the solid block. Tolerances are measured in microns to ensure the movement fits perfectly.
Is given its signature fluting. This functional design allows our watchmakers to torque the back down, sealing the movement hermetically. Human hands touch it. Robotic arms perform the initial preparation, removing machining marks with calculated pressure.
Not judge beauty. The final mirror finish, the Zaratsu level shine, is achieved solely by the trained eye and hand of a master polisher.
Bezel, a hallmark of the brand. Diamond tools cut the facets so sharply that the gold sparkles like a gemstone. Polishing with diamond dust remove every imperfection, rendering the sapphire invisible and virtually scratch-proof. Magnifying lens is bonded to the crystal. It must be positioned perfectly to magnify the date without distortion.
Saws slice the boule into thin wafers. This is the only way to cut a material so incredibly hard.
Watch begins as a brass plate. Though hidden, its dimensions determine the alignment of every hour marker. Sunray finish is applied using wire brushes. This texture captures light, causing the dial to change color as the wrist moves.
Blue hairspring is paramagnetic. By passing it through a precise thermal process, it becomes immune to magnetic fields that would stop other watches.
Sunray finish is applied using wire brushes. This texture captures light, causing the dial to change color as the wrist moves. Polishing with diamond dust remove every imperfection, rendering the sapphire invisible and virtually scratch-proof.
To the barrel, this spring will release its energy evenly, powering the watch for up to 70 hours without winding.
Sunray finish is applied using wire brushes. This texture captures light, causing the dial to change color as the wrist moves. Watch begins as a brass plate. Though hidden, its dimensions determine the alignment of every hour marker.
Marker is crafted from 18-karat gold to prevent tarnishing. They are applied by hand, ensuring perfect alignment.
Gear train. Their teeth are cut with a specific profile to transfer energy efficiently from the mainspring to the escapement.
Are burnished until the steel is compressed and mirrored. This reduces friction to near zero, extending the power reserve.
It's hidden inside or decorated. This perlage finishing is not just aesthetic, it helps trap dust away from the moving parts.
Plating, the base metal is transformed. Ions of gold, rhodium, or copper bond to the surface, creating deep, unfading colors. Are burnished until the steel is compressed and mirrored. This reduces friction to near zero, extending the power reserve. Are burnished until the steel is compressed and mirrored. This reduces friction to near zero, extending the power reserve.
Gear train. Their teeth are cut with a specific profile to transfer energy efficiently from the mainspring to the escapement.
Sunray finish is applied using wire brushes. This texture captures light, causing the dial to change color as the wrist moves. Balance wheel works in tandem with the hairspring. It is machined for perfect aerodynamic stability. Its energy. We use high-tech manufacturing to create skeletonized parts that are lighter and more efficient than traditional machining allows. Is the heartbeat. It must be coiled with mathematical perfection to breathe concentrically, keeping time regardless of position. Tire. The balance wheel must be perfectly poised. Lasers remove nanograms of material to ensure it rotates without wobble. Are finished with Geneva stripes. This decoration is the signature of high-end Swiss watchmaking, catching the light in waves.
We now enter the heart of the manufacture. The atmosphere here is cleaner than a surgical operating room.
Is tamed by organization. Automated logistics prepare individual kits for the watchmakers, ensuring no part is missing. Technology bows to tradition. While machines make the parts, only the human hand can breathe life into the mechanical movement. Barrel is installed. Inside coils the mainspring.
the energy reservoir that will power the watch for days without movement.
The assembly begins. The main plate is secured. From this foundation, over 200 microscopic components will be
Train is the transmission. These wheels calculate time, breaking down the massive energy of the barrel into precise ticks. Lowered. This is a critical moment. All gear axles must align perfectly with their upper ruby bearings simultaneously. Just tightened, they are torqued to an exact specification. Too loose, they vibrate out. Too tight, they warp the bridge. This lever rocks back and forth 28,800 times per hour, locking and unlocking the gear train with ruby claws.
Managed with obsession. Automated needles deposit microscopic spheres of synthetic oil. Different viscosities are used for different speeds.
The heart. The balance wheel assembly, suspended by its blue parachrome hairspring, is lowered into position. Meets the case, the movement's accuracy is verified. Lasers track the heartbeat, ensuring it is regular and powerful. The mechanism is hidden beneath the face. The dial is pressed onto the movement, locked securely by cam screws on the side. Touch the spring to regulate speed. Instead, we adjust gold microstella nuts on the wheel's rim, altering its aerodynamics and inertia. It requires nerves of steel. The hour hand is pressed first. It must be perfectly parallel to the dial, hovering millimeters above it.
The minute hand. The gap between them is microscopic, yet they must never touch, or the watch will stop.
The seconds hand. A fragile needle pressed onto a pivot the thickness of a hair. It is instantly tested for balance.
Your case is prepared. Ionized air blasts away the last potential dust particles. It is now a sterile vault. Crown is inserted. This is the user's interface with the machine, sealing the final opening in the case flank.
The movement is lowered into the case. The fit is so precise there is virtually no lateral movement. Are tightened. The movement floats on shock absorbers, but is rigidly secured against the case wall.
Is the enemy. High-performance gaskets are checked and lubricated. They form the primary barrier against the deep.
Are tightened. The movement floats on shock absorbers, but is rigidly secured against the case wall.
Crown is inserted. This is the user's interface with the machine, sealing the final opening in the case flank.
is more than jewelry. Inside the gold links, ceramic inserts are placed to prevent metal-on-metal wear, ensuring it never stretches. The back is screwed down with a specific torque setting. It compresses the gasket, creating a hermetic seal akin to a submarine hatch. Is more than jewelry. Inside the gold links, ceramic inserts are placed to prevent metal-on-metal wear, ensuring it never stretches. The back is screwed down with a specific torque setting. It compresses the gasket, creating a hermetic seal akin to a submarine hatch.
Is the enemy. High-performance gaskets are checked and lubricated. They form the primary barrier against the deep.
Are tightened. The movement floats on shock absorbers, but is rigidly secured against the case wall.
To the world. Secure transport takes the timepieces to authorized retailers. Travel the world, they rest in the vault. A fully automated fortress managing the inventory.
Identity is recorded. The warranty card follows the watch, linking its serial number to its history.
The movement is lowered into the case. The fit is so precise there is virtually no lateral movement.
Velvet, the timekeeper is ready to leave the sanctuary of the factory. Identity is recorded. The warranty card follows the watch, linking its serial number to its history.
They travel the world, they rest in the vault. A fully automated fortress managing the inventory.
To the world. Secure transport takes the timepieces to authorized retailers. To the world. Secure transport takes the timepieces to authorized retailers.
They travel the world, they rest in the vault. A fully automated fortress managing the inventory.
Ends here. The box is opened, revealing the result of months of metallurgy, engineering, and artistry. No longer just a machine. It is a companion, built to last a lifetime, and then another. The Serichrome bezel, we start with ultra-fine zirconium powder. It is abrasive, inert, and practically indestructible. identity is recorded. The warranty card follows the watch, linking its serial number to its history. Identity is recorded. The warranty card follows the watch, linking its serial number to its history.
Resting on velvet, the timekeeper is ready to leave the sanctuary of the factory. A standard, an obsession with perfection, manufactured. This is the way of the crown.
Numerals readable. The entire ring is coated in gold or platinum using physical vapor deposition inside a vacuum chamber.
Is injected at high pressure. At this stage, the green body is fragile and significantly larger than the final component.
Is an engineering marvel in itself. Milled from solid metal, it contains up to 15 different articulated parts.
Surface down. The gold remains only inside the recessed numerals, protected forever, while the ceramic gleams with an intense luster. It is assembled by hand. The oyster lock must provide a reassuring, audible snap to let the wearer know it is secure.
Is an engineering marvel in itself. Milled from solid metal, it contains up to 15 different articulated parts, machined to receive the stones. Each seat is drilled to precise depth so that every diamond sits at exactly the same height.
Uniformity is key. The table of every diamond must align perfectly with its neighbor, creating a seamless river of light. No glue here. The gem setter physically pushes the gold over the edge of the stone, locking it in place with a tiny bead of metal.
We assemble a vertical clutch. This complex coupling allows the chronograph to start with absolute precision, without the hand jumping.
Wheel is the command center. Its castellations coordinate the start, stop, and reset functions with a crisp, tactile click. The watch may return. Our world service process is designed to return the timepiece to its original aesthetic and functional condition. It's completely dismantled. Every single component is inspected. Worn parts are replaced with genuine manufacturing spares.
Sonic waves remove microscopic particles and old lubricants, returning the metal parts to a clinically clean state.
Is reassembled and lubricated. It runs as smoothly today as it did on the day it was born.
Refinished. Our polishers remove scratches while strictly maintaining the original shape and sharp edges of the design.
Rigorous testing, the watch is reborn. It leaves the service center with a new guarantee, ready for the next generation.
Automated stock system manages millions of components, ensuring we can service a watch decades after its production ceased.
Is wasted. Even the dust from the polishing room is collected and refined back into pure gold bars. Changes, but the hand remains. In our training center, the next generation of master watchmakers learns the art of patience.
We are not just manufacturers, we are scientists. Our R&D department constantly invents new lubricants.
Is wasted. Even the dust from the polishing room is collected and refined back into pure gold bars.
This is the Rolex way. Perpetual.
Every curve is intentional.
One final wipe. The journey from raw earth to finished masterpiece is complete. Perpetual rotor. It captures the energy of your slightest movement, transforming your life's motion into time.
Fire of the foundry.
Perpetual rotor. It captures the energy of your slightest movement, transforming your life's motion into time.
Precision of the micron.
One final wipe. The journey from raw earth to finished masterpiece is complete.
From the fire of the foundry. Precision of the micron.
The first heartbeat.